Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with a comparison on Pleatco's Ultra filters. We are going to show you guys the difference between the Ultras and a standard filter. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some Pleatco Ultra filters here. These are available from our retail store only. Can't actually purchase these things online, but they are the top of the line replacement filters for your cartridge filter. So I've got a traditional standard one here, and then I've got an Ultra that's still wrapped up in the plastic. I just kind of want to go over some key points so you guys understand the difference. So obviously with the traditional unit, you guys will know that the bands, they've got the bands, 4 or 5 bands on it to be able to hold those together to reduce the debris from getting locked into every individual pleat on the cleaner or on the filter. I apologize. And you know how much of a pain in the butt they are to clean. So you normally got to use some type of special high pressure nozzle to be able to get in between every single one and clean them. Well, Pleatco came out with the Ultra. So if you'll notice, the Ultra only has 1 band, and that allows a lot more free flow of water and dirt and debris to not clump up and get stuck in the filter. So it actually allows it to expand all the way down the filter comparatively to in between each individual band. And then on top of that, it's actually made with a special material that actually helps reduce the debris from sticking to the filter. So when it comes down to that time for you guys to actually have to spray them down and clean them, this is almost like a hydrophobic material where the water just kind of pushes that debris right off, and they're very, very, very easy to clean. So highly suggest going with the Ultras just for that. On top of that, they do have different free flow designs on the inside of the filter, which allows for a lot more water flow through the filter. It does hold more dirt and debris. It reduces all the pressure in your system. So over time, you can actually keep these in the filter longer comparatively to the actual traditional filter. Inside, they look identical, but if you guys actually had them in your hands and you're feeling the material on the outside of the actual filter itself, the cartridge itself, you'll notice that this one does almost have kind of like a gloss to it, which is really cool. Just making it that much easier to clean and that much better to filter out all that debris in your cartridge filter. So we have these available from a retail store across all the major manufacturers. Pleatco made them for all the major manufacturers as well as all the different filter sizes. Obviously, you guys can tell these ones are 2 different filters. I just wanted them here to show you guys the differences. But if you guys want any more information on it, make sure you come down, check us out. We've got the address and everything down below in the description. You guys can come visit us directly in store. We do have all these available for you guys. But just wanted to run you guys through that, let you guys know that the Pleatco Ultras are the top of the line on those cartridges. So make sure you guys throw these in and stop messing with having to clean these things every few months. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.